A very scary one. I don't know how you will take it, but anyway.
Married to 5'4", yeah, that's me. Building on my people, that's the key. Building on my people, that's the key. Building on my people, that's the key. Hey. Smash the like, drop a comment below. Subscribe to the vibe, watch the channel go. Smash the like, drop a comment below. Married to 5'4", here we go. Let's go. Real ones in the chat, real ones in the chat, real ones showing love, real ones got my back, real ones in the chat, real ones in the chat. Hakuna Matata, we keeping it exact. Ni jambo anango, that's how we connect. Ni jambo anango, show me that respect. Ni jambo anango, family we protect. May 254, bring what you'd expect. From the comments to the shares, from the comments to the views, from the comments to the love, y'all, that's the energy we use. From the morning to the night, from the morning till we rest, from the morning with my people, you know Mary does it best. Smash the like, drop a comment below, subscribe to the vibe, post the channel, grow.
And I thank God for enabling me to get this phone. Yeah, I don't take it for granted. You see those small, big wins. Ni God too. God ndo anatuwezeshanga. But anyways, first I want to cook something. Then nimekula huko nje. I'd eaten out. I don't know. Maybe I cook something small just in case I'll feel hungry. Don't mind me, guys. I'm just happy. This is happy me. Yeah, my happy soul, my happy self, my happy self. Anyways, before I prepare, I was nikunje some clothes. Nizipange. Yeah, I have some clothes here. Nilikuwa nimeosha. You never know, guys. Nilikuwa nimesema you should stick around. Maybe there is another big purchase coming around. Maybe itakuwa a washing machine. Ikaze kupeleka laundry ama kujoshea. Nimechoka nayo. But anyway, stick around and see when you get that washing machine or whichever thing we'll get. You never know. God has bigger plans for us, and I know He also has bigger plans for you guys. So you just believe in Him, trust in Him, and He will make sure you get everything and anything you want in this world. Yeah. So tupange manguo na nyinyi. Yeah. These are the clothes I was talking about. They're quite many, but we'll fold them smoothly.
Morning light through the window, kukuona kila siku. Married to 5'4" across the table, moyo wangu it's dancing. Distance couldn't break us. Muda.
Okay, they're not so many, but they are many. They are many, guys. I want to sit here. Oh, don't know even if I'll fit. So let's begin the folding. Okay, I know most of you fold your clothes while they are on the wearable side, but I don't know why I fold mine like this on the unwearable side. So you tell me, guys. But I know why you guys do that, so that it will be easy for you to pick when you want to wear. Yeah, I guess that's why you guys do that. Anyways, I don't know how fast I will be, but I hope I'll be fast. As I fold these clothes, let me tell you a story. A very scary one. I don't know how you will take it, but anyway, let me read it to you. My name is Sheila, and I never believed in curses until I met Brian. I was 24, living in Umoja Estate, Nairobi. I had just gotten out of a bad breakup, and my friends convinced me to join Tinder. That's where I met him, tall, dark, and dangerously charming. He texted me like a gentleman, called me every night, and made me feel like I was the only woman in the world. But there was something strange about his profile photo. Behind him, there was a shadow of another person, blurred, almost watching him. Our first date was at a small cafe in Donholm. When he walked in, the room felt silent, as if everyone noticed him before I did. His presence was magnetic but heavy. When he smiled, his teeth were too white, too perfect. As we ate, I noticed he never touched his food. He only stared at me, asking deep questions like, "Would you still love me if I wasn't human?" I laughed it off. Maybe he was just weird. But that night, when I got home, I saw muddy footprints leading from my door to my bed. The next few weeks were a dream. Brian spoiled me with gifts, took me to expensive places, and always knew where I was, even when I didn't tell him. Once, he called and said, "Don't turn around. I just wanted to see your smile from the other side of Moy Avenue." I froze. He was watching me. When I turned, no one was there, just a cold gust of wind and the faint smell of rotting flowers. My best friend, Vanessa, told me to stop seeing him. "That guy is off. Sheila. He's not normal. I saw his eyes turn red at K1 last weekend." I didn't believe her. I thought she was jealous. But that night, I had a dream. Brian was standing over my bed, whispering my name backwards. When I woke up, my mirror had cracked in the shape of a heart. Things got darker after that. I started losing weight, hearing voices, and smelling decay in my house. One evening, I decided to visit Brian's place in Umoja 2. The building was old, almost abandoned. When I reached his door, it opened slowly on its own. Inside, there were black candles, women's photos pinned on the walls, and a single coffin in the corner. I ran out screaming, but he was standing right outside, smiling, his eyes now completely black. He said calmly, "You shouldn't have come here, Sheila. I was going to tell you when the time was right." I fainted. When I woke up, I was in my own bed, but my phone was gone, and all my photos with Brian had been deleted. I tried calling his number. It said, "This number does not exist." Vanessa came over and found strange marks on my back, like scratches in the shape of his initial, B.O. Days passed. I stopped sleeping. Every mirror reflected him standing behind me. I called my mother in Kakamega and she told me to go to church. The pastor sprinkled holy water in my room, but when he reached the window, all the candles went off. He whispered, "This is not just a spirit. This is a binding." He told me Brian was from a clan known as Dark Love Rituals, men who tied souls of women they loved to their own. So even in death, they would never be apart. Yeah. So let's arrange them at the closet. At the closet, my nails. Terrified, I decided to move away. I packed my bags at night, but as I zipped my suitcase, I heard Brian's voice whisper, "You can't leave me, Sheila." My lights flickered, and all the photos I had hidden under the bed flew into the air. His figure appeared in the corner of my room, half human, half shadow. His smile was cracked, his voice layered like 10 people speaking at once. I love you to death, he said, and disappeared. The next morning, my neighbor found me lying unconscious outside my door. They said my eyes were open but lifeless. Vanessa took me to hospital, but the doctors couldn't explain the strange burns on my chest, burns shaped like hands. I survived, but from that day, no one ever saw Brian again. His apartment was empty. The landlord claimed it had been abandoned for years. It's been a year since then. Sometimes I wake up to the smell of his cologne. I hear footsteps pacing around my bed. Every man I have dated since has left mysteriously. Some moved away, others just vanished. And every night, when I look in the mirror, I see his reflection standing right behind me, smiling. They say love never dies, but in Umoja, I learned sometimes love kills. Ooh, guys, I hope you have enjoyed that story. Was it interesting? Was it scary? I hope you loved it. And if you will want more stories like this, just comment down there. Maybe more, or part 2 of the story, Yeah, anyway, guys, this is my house.
Morning light through the window, kukuona kila siku. Married to 5-4 across the table. Moyo wangu, it's dancing. Distance couldn't break us. Muda wezi tutenganisha. All those letters carry love. Married to 5-4, heart to heart. Mapenzi yetu, married to 5-4. Love like this, it lives forever. Wewe ni mimi ni wewe. Two souls, one story. Radically different fragments. You're lied to 5-4. Rain on our faces that Tuesday. Tunapenda, hold me closer, closer to yesterday. Lile, mapenzi, yeah, growing stronger, surf by surf, give to 5-5 me, wait. When the words fail, married to 5-4, you're right, tell everything. Nakupenda sana, more than the ocean, deeper than time. Mapenzi yetu, growing stronger. Love like this, married to 5-4. Wewe ni mimi ni wewe. Two souls, one story. Morning light, married to 5-4. Together we ride. I sing for you, married to 5-4. I sing for you, born first of all.
ndugu zangu Wilsons wamaitha na wangu, David na Moses, my heart beats true.
I see you strong like baobab trees, familiar yet true. Morning breeze, I see you strong, your roots run deep. Upendo wetu, the bonds we keep.
John and Ruth's love guides our way, Baba na Mama, every day.
254, you lead the way, ndugu pamoja,
every day.
Dada's daughter, Mama's heart, familia yetu, where we start,
wewe ni mkuu, wewe ni mine. The smile lights up the room, Wangui spirit makes flowers bloom. David's wisdom guides our way, Moses' kindness bright as day.
I feel your strength in quiet times, move yetu in hardest climbs. Pamoja sisi like river stone, upendo wetu has always grown.
John and Ruth's love guides our way, Baba na Mama, every day.
254, you lead the way, ndugu pamoja, every day. Dada's daughter, Mama's heart, familia yetu, where we start,
wewe ni mkuu, wewe ni
six hearts beating, one true song. John and Ruth's love made us strong. 4 children, one family, tunapendana, forever will be.
254, you lead the way, ndugu pamoja, every day.
Dada's daughter,
Mama's heart, familia yetu, where we start, wewe ni
ooh,
wewe ni
familia yangu. Married 254.
Married 254, yeah, that's me. Building on my people, that's the key. Building on my people, that's the key. Building on my people, that's the key. Hey. Smash the like, drop a comment below. Subscribe to the
And guys, I'm finally done with arranging my clothes, folding them. Yeah, and this place looks so nice. You can see. Look what a house can do. Look what Mary can do. Oh yeah. And now the house looks spectacular. It looks clean. See? You see? After arranging. Yeah. It looks nice. I love my space. Oh, yeah. That's how my space looks. Very demure. Anyways, and that was it for me today, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video until this part. I'm so tired. I just want to shower.
Hey there, beautiful soul, come and see. Karibu to Mary 254, that's me. Every day we're here to shine so bright. To the pandemic, making everything feel right. This is where the magic starts to grow. Happily, both dreams begin to flow. Mary 254. Like and comment, let's dance and play. Share the love from the road.